deeply entrenched. The magnitude is unbelievable. The magnitude is incredible.
Pag ikaw, kasali ka sa korupsyon, hindi mo ba poprotektahan yung sarili mo? Sabi ni MC, the fact na most, if not all the stuff came from FL already has a foul stench. I ask about that. I will not disagree. I will not disagree with you, MC.
Corruption, especially in the infrastructure projects or infrastructure sector, has already become a cottage industry, a livelihood program. Sa dami ng pinuntahan namin mga projects,
sabi ni Francesca Attorney should Magalong go to Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to reveal everything he knows. Yung matagal niya na sinasabi na gusto niya i-reveal sa Congress. Alam nyo, tulad nga sinabi ko sa inyo, pa-Senate man yan, mapa-Congressman yan, moron investigation yan. They are doing that to protect themselves. That's the conflict of interest there. Alam niyo kung bakit niya gustong pumunta sa Congress? Kasi nga, nandun yung laban. Mako-confront niya dun yung mga tao. Yun ang pinaka dapat gawin dun. Kasi, maglolokohan pa ba tayo? What good? Magsabi nga kayo sa akin, in the decades, tens and tens of years na nagkakaroon ng Senate investigation in aid of legislation, House of Representatives investigation in aid of legislation, meron bang magandang nangyari dyan? Wala. Panahon pa ni Miriam Santiago, patay na si Miriam Santiago, sinasabi niya yung Senate inquiry in aid of legislation, yung House of Representatives in aid of legislation, walang nangyayaring maganda dyan. Naglulukuhan lang tayo dun. My gosh. Tapos dito, makikita ko na naman yung mga DDS, natatakot na naman kasi baka matalo ni Mayor Magalong sa 2028 si VP Sara. Ganyan ba talaga kayo kakupal? Ganyan kayo kakupal? Mabuting tao si Mayor Magalong pero hindi pa niya kaya tapatan ang lakas ni VP Sara sa 2028? Ganyan talaga kayo kakupal? We are talking about corruption, people's lives being lost. Tapos iniisip nyo, yung puon nyo, si VP Sara, maging presidente sa 2028. We are talking about the present. Tapos pamumulitika ang gusto nyong gawin. Nagsasakripisyo yung tao, hindi iniisip yung politika. Tapos kayo, politika yung iniisip nyo.